Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday interacted with the Indian Diaspora at Potsdamer Platz in Berlin. The Prime Minister began his address by stating that he is in the German capital to neither talk about himself nor the Modi government. He said, "I want to talk about the capability of crores of Indians and sing their praises. When I speak about crores of Indians, it includes not only the people who live there but also who live here." The Prime Minister further said the people of India ended the politically unstable atmosphere of the last 3 decades by pressing a button. After 30 years, a full majority government was elected in 2014 and the people of India made the government stronger in 2019. The Prime Minister said that through reforms his government is transforming the country. This address to the Indian community was given shortly after the 6th India-Germany intergovernmental consultation, which was co-chaired by PM Modi and Chancellor Scholz. The Prime Minister said that the intergovernmental consultation were productive.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.